Okay, everybody, so here we are at the world headquarters of Kellogg's Soil in Carson, California. And the Foodscape project was recently just completed by us. There's an apple tree, Fuji apple, Anna apple, and of course the Dorset apple right there. And the artichoke. There's a strawberry bush. Those are actually edible fruits that are sweet like a strawberry, so that's where it gets its name. Another artichoke. Here's another espaliered 3-in-1 apple, artichoke, strawberry bush, and the guava, pineapple guava. And here's another 3-in-1 apple, and then it repeats down there. Brandy Williams did the plantings. Recently redid this fountain, amazing fountain. Kind of the rock work there. Brandy Williams did the Garden Butterfly LA did the plantings here. And here's the logo for Kellogg's. Very cool. And as we walk around, see more of this sculptural masterpiece. So, just glad to be here creating earth art, foodscaping, beauty. Give us a call if you see something you like. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. Take care.